Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you this eye look with a brown smoky eye and a glitter liner, and then we're going to go on to do our face. I'm going to do contouring, highlighting, everything in this video. So please stay with me till the end so you can see how this whole look came together. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Kriti Robertson. I make videos every Monday and Thursday. So if you're interested in videos like this one, then please consider subscribing and push that bell icon so you can get notified every time I make new videos. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So first I'm going to use this Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumour 1. Just going to apply very little on my eyelids. Just going to tap it with my brush. And today I'm using this 24G Grand Glam Palette from Morphe. I'm going to take this pink shade and I'll just put it in my crease. This is what I really like about this Louise eyeshadow base. It makes the eyeshadows look so pigmented and so bright. And now I'm going to use this Sephora brown eyeliner and I'm going to put it a little bit on my lid. And now I'm going to take this beautiful brown color from this palette and I'm going to put it all over my lid. Now I'm just going to blend out the brown and the pink together. And now I'm going to use this L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm just going to clean up my brows with this. Now I'm going to use this Morphe Y21 brush to blend out the concealer. And now I'm going to do my brows with this Forever Magic Seductive Eyebrow Gel in the shade Magic Dazzle Brown. First, I'm going to brush my brows with a spoolie. And now I'm just going to fill in the rest of the brow. And now I'm going to use this black gel liner from Gaya Cosmetics. It's a really pigmented eyeliner. It was sent to me by Gaya Cosmetics. But definitely this is not sponsored. I really do love it. Now I'm going to use this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Eyeliner. I'm going to create another layer on top of my black eyeliner. Let's come to the face. I'm going to use this Benefit Pore-Fessional primer. I'm using a very little amount. And now I'm going to correct my under eye area with this L.A Girl Pro Orange Concealer. Just going to blend it a little bit with my fingers. And now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Desert Beige. I'm going to blend it out with my Morphe Y6 brush. And now I'm going to mix these two L.A Girl Pro concealers in yellow and cream beige. I'm going to highlight my face with that. And now I'm going to use this tiny beauty blender to blend it. I got a little bit on my eyeliner, but I can always fix that later. And now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contouring palette to set my under eye. Now I'm going to take this darker shade from the same palette and contour my face. Now I'm going to contour my nose. And now I'm going to use this Huda Beauty highlighter palette and highlight my face. I'm also going to put the same highlight in my brow bone area. And now I'm going to do my lips with this Morphe liquid lipstick in Jealousy. Now I'm going to put the same Sephora pencil that I used earlier in my waterline. And now I'm going to use the same brown shade to do my under eyes. I'm just going to intensify my glitter liner a bit. Next, I'm going to put on this Batgirl Bang Mascara from Benefit. And now I'm just going to put on some lashes.